We're in the kitchen, checking the ingredients. What do we need? There are some apples in the bowl. There isn't any bread, no roll. How many eggs do we need to buy? How much flour for the apple pie? I have a few carrots, just a few. I have a little sugar, is that true? How much time, how much money, how much love, how much honey? How many friends, how many chairs? How many people standing on the stairs? Countable and countable, keep it in your head. Some butter, some cheese, and a loaf of bread. There isn't much water in the glass. There are too many students in the class. Do you have any questions for me? Would you like some coffee or some tea? A lot of noise, a lot of cars, a lot of bright and shining stars. How much time, how much money, how much love, how much honey? How many friends, how many chairs? How many people standing on the stairs? Countable and countable, keep it in your head. Some butter, some cheese, and a loaf of bread.
No, I don't have any.
Some money?
Yes, I have some.
A lot of money?
I wish I did.
Just a little, just a few. How much?
How much?
How many?
Some and any.
Some and any.
A little bit of this.
A few of those.
How much sugar?
Sweet. How much time? How much money? How much love? Much honey? How many friends? How many chairs? How many people standing on the stairs? Countable and countable, keep it in your head. Some butter, some cheese, and a loaf of bread.